In this video, I will show you how you can automatically reply to your emails using OpenAI. So whenever a new email is received on your Gmail account, this OpenAI application will automatically generate a reply for that email, and the same reply will even sent automatically via Gmail only. Want to learn how you can also automate this replying process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Gmail account where I am going to completely automate the reply process with the help of this OpenAI application. And to automate this, firstly I will have to build a connection in this Gmail and OpenAI application, for which I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as auto reply to emails using OpenAI. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I'll be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new email is received on my Gmail account, an automatic reply should be generated. So firstly I will be connecting this Gmail with the Pabbly Connect, but here I'm not going to search for Gmail. In order to connect the Gmail with the Pabbly Connect, I will use this email parser. Yes, using email parser you can build the connection in Gmail and Pabbly Connect. How? With the help of this email address. As soon as you select this application, here you will notice it will provide you an email address. So we will copy that email address and paste in our Gmail account, and basically we are going to set a forwarder. Every time a new email is received, that email will be forwarded on this particular Gmail address. Now how you can do that? Simply click on this setting button, then click on settings option, and then search for the forwarding and POPIMA app, and after that simply click on this add a forwarding address button and paste the same email address which you have got via Pabbly Connect. Then click on next, and then firstly it will ask you the verification of Gmail. So here you can notice the verification process is done, and now it is asking that do you want to forward the email to this specific address. So yes, click on proceed, and in this way the verification link, basically the confirmation link, will be sent to Pabbly Connect on this email address. Okay, so simply clicking on OK, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received, and that response consisting of all the email details, basically the subject line, the from and the to email, but currently I'm looking for the confirmation link. Okay, so directly scroll down, and in the last, in this body text, you will find the confirmation link. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you this. Alright, so this is the link. Let me first copy the same. So I have copied the link. Let me paste it in a new tab, and then it will ask for the verification. So click on confirm, and in this way the verification process will be done. For now I'm closing this tab, coming back to my Gmail account, and now I will enable this particular option that forward a copy of incoming email to this address. Yes, I want to do the same, so I will directly click on the save changes button, and in this way the forwarder will be enabled. Alright, let me delete this extra email. Alright, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now I will click on that recapture email parser response button. So here you can notice it is waiting for the email parser response. Okay, you can also read the instructions that send an email to the email address mentioned above so that we can capture all the details from the email content automatically. Okay, so basically it is asking to send an email on this particular email address so that the email content can be captured here in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I will open another Gmail account, and I will be sending this email to the same Gmail, to the same email address which I have just connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, kindly note that this is another Gmail account. This is not the same Gmail account which I have connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me correct the spelling of this product. Okay, So the idea here is I'm running some custom design company and I have delivered one product to my customers. So they are replying me back that they have received the product and the delivery was safe and they even liked the product. Okay, so let me first send this email as a customer to my Gmail account. Give me a second. Alright, so I have added the email address, clicking on this send button and it will be sent. Coming back to the Pabbly Connect, coming back to the Gmail account, and firstly I will wait for that email to receive here. Basically, as soon as any new users or customers email will be received in this specific Gmail account, the details, the same email will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Also here you can notice the responses just received. So I think the email is also arrived here. Give me a second. And yes, the same email is received here also, that is product received in, and we have the same subject line and the same content, that is I would like to inform you that I have just received my glass lamp photo frame. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and let's check the response of that email. So where is the from email address? Alright, so this is the receiver email address, basically the receiver name and the receiver email address. This is the from name and from email address. This is the subject line, and if I will scroll down you will also find the body text, basically the same content. Okay, that is hello demo user, I would like to inform you that I have just received my glass lamp photo frame. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Gmail and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine with the help of this email parser. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new email will be received from my customers and the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can generate an automatic reply for the same customer. Okay, for that I will be using this OpenAI application. I don't think OpenAI needs any introduction because it is already in trend and it has also launched this chat GPT. Okay, now I will be selecting the action event, that is this chat GPT only. Okay, so clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the API key. Okay, so if you are already logged in your OpenAI account, you can directly click on this hyperlink and it will redirect you to the API pages. Okay, you will notice that in my case 2 API keys are already generated, so instead of creating a new API key I am going to use the existing one. If you want you can create a new key by clicking on this plus icon. Okay, so give me a second, let me paste the same key here also. So I have provided the key and clicked on save, and in this way my chat GPT, or we can say OpenAI account, is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now the very first thing it will ask you to select the model, using which particular model you would like to generate the content, you would like to generate the reply. Okay, so I will be using this GPT 3.5 because currently I'm using the free version of chat GPT, free version of OpenAI. In case you have a paid account you can also go with this GPT 4 model. Okay, so selected this AI model. Now finally it is asking for the prompt. Now what is this prompt? Basically an instruction. You can also take an example, draft an email for taking a leave tomorrow. Okay, so whatever you want this automation to work, to perform, you can pass those instructions here. Okay, so currently I'll provide the instructions something like generate a reply for this email. Okay, and after that I will provide the content of the email, from where remember we have already received the email data as a response of our email parser, as a response of the first step. And the interesting thing is I'm not going to manually copy the above email details and paste below again and again for every new email. I am going to map those details, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Search for your body text. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so this is my body text. Generate a reply for this email. Now I will add a full stop. Okay, the sender name is, now why I'm mentioning this sender name or receiver name, because I'm creating an automation using which the replies will be sent automatically on my received email. In that case I will also have to make sure that my automatic email has the sender as well as the receiver email, otherwise that email will look incomplete, will not look professional. Okay, so that is why I'm providing the details in this prompt only. Okay, and the receiver name is, and in this case receiver is actually me, so I will will be adding my name only. Give me a second. Alright, so this is my name. So I have added all the details and I do not want to send a long email. So I will also specify the number of words. Give me a second. Also, the email should not exceed 150 words. So I think the prompt, the instructions are looking good. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and first I will wait for the response. Fingers crossed. And did you notice a response is received? Let me cross check my email. Alright, you can find the content, the automatic replies here under this choices 0 message content. Let me maximize it, and here we have the email that is hello Henry Quest. Thank you for giving us your valuable feedback. It is always delightful to hear that our customers are happy and satisfied with our products. We are glad that you have received your glass lamp photo frame and that the delivery was safe. The team has worked hard to ensure that the custom design frame exactly matches the image shade. Did you notice what an email it has generated automatically? I have just gave a instruction. I have just provided an instruction, and with that instruction it has provided this email, this reply. We truly appreciate your kind words and compliments, which motivates us to provide good quality products and service. We hope that the photo frame brings a smile to your face every time you look at it. If you need any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. Once again, thank you. Best regards, dummy name. Okay, so did you notice what a nice email this AI has generated? I am really not sure that if I can write such a nice content. Okay, so in this way the second step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can automatically send this reply as well to the same person, to the same customer. For that, this time you will have to select Gmail directly, not email parser. Okay, so I have selected the same. An action event, well, we have a single action event only, that is send email, so I have selected the same. Clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and if you're connecting Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, click on this button and provide the access of your Gmail account. But you can also go with the existing connection if you have already built these connections earlier. Okay, so give me a second, let me provide the same. Alright, so the account has been selected, and in this way the authorization will be successful and my Gmail account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Well, give me a second, it is asking for the verification. And it is done and it is connected. Okay, and now it is firstly asking for the recipient email address to whom you want to send the email. So in this particular case, I want to send the email to my customer. Basically, I want to reply him, so I will be adding the recipient email address again from this email parser response. Okay, so how about I search for the email address directly with the help of @, and this is the customer's email address, the from email address which I have mapped successfully. Further, it is asking for the CC, BCC. Well, I will leave these fields blank, asking for the sender name. So how about I provide my name, that is basically the name of the company, ABC Design, or I can write ABC Custom Design. Further, it is asking for the email subject line, so I can also reply something like reply to, and here I will add the subject line of the receiving email, asking for the reply to, which again I am leaving it blank because it is not mandatory. Asking for the email content type, well, I'll go with the same, basically with the plain text email. If you want to send email along with lot of formatting, you can go with HTML, and you can watch this complete tutorial on how to create an HTML email. And finally, it is asking for the email content. So basically, we will have to provide the reply of that email here. Okay, how I'm going to provide the same from this OpenAI step. Okay, so scrolling down, and from here I will map the same reply. All right, it is done. How about I directly click on this button, save and send test request, and after that we will check the sent option of our Gmail account, whether the email has been sent or not. Okay, so give me a second, let me first open the sent section. And did you notice the message has been sent, and we have this email as a sent message. Opening the same, hello Henry Quest, thank you for giving us a valuable feedback. And yes, it is the same name. Coming back to another Gmail account, basically the Gmail account of the customer, and yes, they have received this email successfully. Give me a second, let me show you the same. Yes, it is the same email 0 minutes ago. Hello Henry Quest, thank you for giving us a valuable feedback. It is always delightful to hear that our customers are happy and satisfied with our customers. Okay, so did you notice how with the help of Pabbly Connect I was able to generate the replies automatically, and I was even able to send the replies automatically to the same customer, to the same user. Okay, I have not done anything in my Gmail. Once this automation is ready inside your Pabbly Connect account, you can sit back and relax and close this Pabbly Connect, because in the backend everything will be happen automatically. And here I would like to tell you a very important thing. Currently we have created our automation workflow in a way that every time any kind of new email is received in our Gmail account, that email data should be received here, the response should be generated and should be sent automatically. In that case, what will happen, for every single email the replies will be generated and sent. But let's say you do not want to send some kind of emails. Okay, so how you can define the same in your automation? So basically, before your OpenAI step and after this email parser step, simply click on this plus icon and add filter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, using which you can apply different kinds of conditions within your workflow, within your automation. So in this particular case, you can apply the condition on sender email, on sender name, even on the subject line, and even on the content of the email as well. Okay, simply select this filter values and click on connect, and it will be connected immediately. And in this select label option, you will find all the Gmail content only, basically all the content. Okay, you just need to search for your preferable option. Let's say you want to define the condition on the subject line, that whenever subject line consists of some words like product delivered. Okay, so here I have defined first condition. Or whenever the subject line consists of the words like deliver, in such cases only this automation should proceed further. Okay, so give me a second, let me provide the same. Basically the subject line again contains, and yes, from this filter type you can select the type of your choice, whether you want to define the condition with this equal to, does not equal to, contains, does not contain. This time I will mention something related to delivery. Okay, so in this way you can even set this and as well as this or condition. Okay, if you will click on this plus icon, one and condition will be added, and clicking on this plus icon, one or condition will be added. Now what is the difference? Well, if you will apply this or condition, what will happen? If any of your condition is true, this automation will proceed further. Now how my automation will decide whether it should proceed or not? So basically it will take decision on this particular value. If the condition is true, the automation will proceed further. But if the condition is false, what will happen? The automation will stop here only. Let me even show you the example of this false condition. Alright, in this way the conditions will be false. Now let me correct the same, that is product. Okay, and here also I will add delivery. Now it is looking good. So I hope you have understood how you can define the condition, and for your reference I have defined this filter feature inside my automation workflow. Let me correct this should be true only, then only my automation will execute the further step. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 4-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.